Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Tanveer Mayo, your teacher. We have already read about prepositions. Today we are going to read about phrasal verbs. Dear students, it's a very tricky question of antitests, and today we shall try to learn some important phrasal verbs used in the antitests, and we shall try to learn how to remember how to store their meanings into our memory. So let's come to the board, dear students. Yes, dear students, phrasal verbs. First of all, we should know the difference between a phrasal verb and prepositional verb. There is a slight difference. Most of the verbs are followed by preposition. They are used normally. For example, look up. Look up means to look upside. Look down, to look down. But look up, when used as a phrasal verb, it means to search something or find the meaning of something. Look down upon, again, gives a totally different meaning. It means to look someone derisive, with derisive, hakarat amez andaz se kisi ko dekhna. So dear students, this is a difference, that when any verb is followed by preposition, sometimes it gives totally a new meaning. इसका मीनिंग टोटली डिफरेंट हो जाता है बाज दफा फ्रेजल वर्ब, और एक फ्रेजल वर्ब के साथ साथ कई कई प्रेपोजिशंस लगती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, कम बाय, कम अक्रॉस, कम ऑफ, कम डबल ऑफ. तो so their meanings are totally changed when they are followed by phrase, by preposition. So let's read some important phrasal verbs and their meanings. Break, for example, break, break down. I have written 2 times down because every time it will give a different meaning. Break down means to fail, break down to decompose. Bacteria break down so many things. Break away, leave suddenly, अलैदा हो जाना. The last part of the train broke away. Break off, end a relation, ताल्लुकात खत्म कर लेना. We should break off with India as early as possible. Break into, enter by force, नकब लगाना जैसे कहते हैं. Thieves या robbers broke into their house. Break out, break out means to begin suddenly, किसी चीज का अचानक शुरू हो जाना. War broke out between two countries. Malaria has broken out in our area. Break up, it also means to end relation. Breakthrough, discover. Scientists have broken through against cancer. Break out also means to escape. Some prisoners have broken out the jail. इन द सेम वे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से एक और फ्रेजल वर्ब को देखते हैं. तो इसके हर प्रेपोजिशन के साथ मीनिंग डिफरेंट हो जाता है. ब्रिंग, नॉर्मली यू नो इट्स मीनिंग इज टू ब्रिंग समथिंग, टू फेच समथिंग, कोई चीज उठा के लाना. लेकिन जब ये फ्रेजल वर्ब में आता है ब्रिंग अप, रेस, एक तो होता है ना रेस, परवरिश करना. मसलन ही वाज ब्रॉट अप बाय हिज अंकल. अनदर मीनिंग इज वॉमिट एज वेल. ब्रिंग राउंड, चेंज ओपिनियन, किसी को कोई बात समझाना, कायल करना. ब्रिंग बैक, रिमाइंड, याद दिलाना. ठीक है, दिस पिक्चर ब्रिंग बैक माय चाइल्डहुड. ब्रिंग डाउन, रिड्यूस, कम करना. गवर्नमेंट शुड ब्रिंग डाउन द प्राइसेस. ब्रिंग फोर्थ, प्रोड्यूस. लीव्स, ट्रीज ब्रिंग फोर्थ न्यू leaves in spring. Bring out, elicit, किसी से कोई राज उगलवाना, किसी से कोई बात निकलवाना. So this is how we use bring. Now let's move to the next board to read some more phrasal verbs. Call, call for, demand. The situation calls for an expert. Call in, summon, समन, बुलाना किसी को. तो डॉक्टर वॉज कॉल्ड इन फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट. कॉल ऑफ, कैंसल, द मीटिंग वॉज कॉल्ड ऑफ. कॉल ऑन अ पर्सन होता है, मीट अ पर्सन, आई कॉल्ड ऑन माई बॉस. कॉल एट अ प्लेस होता है, आई कॉल्ड एट हिज हाउस यस्टरडे. कॉल आउट, पॉइंट आउट, किसी चीज की निशानदेही करना. Come to next one. Carry. Carry on. Carry on means to maintain, to continue. Carry off, transport away, किसी चीज को उठा के दूसरी तरफ ले जाना. Carry out, fulfill. You must carry out by orders. हुक्म की तामील करना या किसी चीज को पाया तकमील तक पहुंचाना. He was carrying out an experiment. Carry over, transfer, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ट्रांसफर कर देना. Next one, come. Come across, come after, come by, come down, come with. Let's see the meanings. Come across, find. अचानक कोई दोस्त वगैरह मिल जाना, मुलाकात हो जाना. I came across a friend on the mall road. Come after, follow. Come by also means to obtain something precious by chance. अचानक कोई अच्छी चीज हाथ लग जाना. Come down, decrease. The prices will not come down now. Come with, join. Come in, arrive. Come between, affect negatively. किसी चीज के रास्ते में हायल होना, रुकावट डालना. Nothing should come between you and your success. Come off, succeed, follow करना. Is it clear? Come on, start. कहते हैं come on. कोई काम किसी को जब दावत देते हैं कि come on, you can do it, कि शाबाश आप ये कर सकते हैं. Come up, appear. A huge crowd came up to watch the match. Let's see the next one. Cut. Cut back. Cut down. Cut off. There are different meanings. Cut back means to reduce spending. You must cut back your expenses. Cut down also means to reduce. You should cut down your expenses. Cut off, interrupt. The call was cut off due to failure of light. Cut out, remove. Unnecessary detail को edit करना, खत्म करना. Is it clear? Cut through, deal quickly. अचानक किसी चीज को छोड़ के दूसरे काम पे लग जाना. Cut up, criticize. It means to criticize someone. Let's move to the next word, dear students. जी. Now fall. Fall वाले ये बहुत सारे phrasal verbs हैं जो different shades के साथ use होते हैं. I am discussing some of them with you, dear students, and you will try to find their meanings. Fall away, cease to stop. Fall down, collapse. The building fell down. अचानक मुनहदिम हो जाना, गिर जाना. Fall off, detach. अलहदा हो जाना, diminish. कम हो जाना. Fall on, occur. Oh, my birthday falls on 13th of December. इस तरह से इसका जुमला बनेगा. Fall out, unfriend. किसी से दोस्ती छोड़ देना, ताल्लुक तोड़ लेना. Fall into, enter into without planning. बगैर किसी सोचे समझे किसी मंसूबे को शुरू कर देना, उसके लिए fall into use करते हैं. Now next one, dear students, get about, be active. किसी काम में मशगूल हो जाना. Okay, we shall get about our business now. Get after, move into action. Oh, you must get after that criminal. आपको उसके पीछे जाना चाहिए. Get ahead, progress. किसी काम में आगे बढ़ना. Now we must get ahead. Get along, interact. किसी के साथ साथ मिल के काम करना. Get away, move away. पीछे हट जाना. Get down, swallow. Oh, it is very difficult for me to get down that pill, tablet. Get in, enter हो जाना. He got in the room. Get into. It is used to get into some bad state. You will get into trouble if you don't obey your parents. You will get into hot water if you don't follow the instructions. Get off, stop doing something. Get out. Oh, very common. Get out of the room. We use it very commonly. Next one, give. Give के भी बहुत से phrasal verbs हैं. चंदे की यूज कर रहा हूं. और इवन जो मैंने इनके लिखे हैं, इनके मसलन के कई और भी मीनिंग्स हो सकते हैं. Different shades of meanings हैं, and you have to learn them. Give away, distribute, बांटना, give a gift, तकसीम करना किसी को. Give, बस आप कह सकते हैं the chief guest gave away the prizes. He gave away his wealth to the poor people. Give forth, release something. कोई चीज छोड़ना, खारिज करना जैसे है, ठीक है. Light gives forth rays. Give in, collapse, fall. The building gave in. Give off, produce, send forth. Give way. This was give away. This is give way. To surrender. किसी के आगे बात को मान लेना, तस्लीम कर लेना और उसकी हाँ में हाँ मिलाना. Give out, emit, raise वगैरह खारिज करना. Give up, quit. Oh, a courageous man never gives up under any circumstance. Next, let's move on to the next board. There are some more phrasal verbs waiting for us. Are you understanding these phrasal verbs? It is a bit difficult. There is no specific formula. Dear students, इनको याद करने के लिए हमें बस ये है कि इनको थोड़ा सा मेमोराइज करना पड़ेगा. Different angles के साथ हमें इनको याद करना पड़ेगा. There is no other way. Let's come to the next board. Go about, deal with something. किसी चीज के साथ डील करना. Go after, pursue, किसी मामले की फॉलो करना, उसको पीछा करना, उसको देखना. Go against, violate. Oh, we cannot go against law. Go through. Go through means to read, to study, to examine thoroughly. I have not gone through this agreement yet. तो मैंने अभी तक इस agreement को नहीं पढ़ा है. Go back. This is back. Abandon. छोड़ देना किसी चीज को. Go down, decrease, prices are going down. So इसी तरह देखे आज हमने decrease के कितने meanings पढ़े. Go off, अचानक चल जाना, किसी बंदूक का चल जाना, किसी धमाके का हो जाना. Explode, किसी person का अचानक. His father went off. इसका मतलब है उसका बाप यकदम चला गया. Go on means continue. You must go on with the same syllabus. Next one, keep. Keep down, repress, कुचलना किसी को, किसी चीज को दबाना. ठीक है. The freedom of press can not be kept down. Keep off, not touch something, किसी चीज को ना छूना. Keep away, refrain. Keep away the bad company, कि बुरी सोबत से दूर रहो. Keep up, stay ahead. Keep it up, continue के लिए भी यूज होता है. ठीक है. You must keep it up. Keep out, refrain entering. You must keep out of this house. Same, keep out of, same meaning will be used. Next one, lay by. Lay by means to save. Lay down, surrender. Lay by something for a rainy day, मुश्किल वक्त के लिए कुछ बचा लो. Lay down, surrender, हथियार वगैरह डालना. ठीक है. They have laid down their weapons now. Lay off, to seize. Lay out, arrange something, किसी चीज का lay out plan बनाना, उसको arrange करना. Next one, put away, move ahead, आगे की तरफ चलना. Put by, save. Now dear students, look here, this one and this one. Put by, lay by, both mean the same. इसी तरह से हमने कुछ इनके जो है याद रखने कि जब बाय हो तो सेव, ऑफ होता है अवे, दूर, हटना. इस तरह से इनको हमने याद रखना पड़ेगा. ये वाला जो ऑफ जहां पे भी आएगा ना, ये होता है हट के, उससे सेपरेट. जहां पे भी आएगा हमने इसका इसी सेंस में इसके मीनिंग को याद रखना है. पुट आउट, विथड्रॉ, पीछे हट जाना, एक्सटिंग्विश. पुट अप, गेट, पुट अप द रिपोर्ट प्लीज, जल्दी से रिपोर्ट फॉर पुट अप करें. पुट इन, अर्न, कमाना. पुट ऑफ, पोस्टपोन, आज का काम कल पे मत छोड़ो. क्या इंग्लिश होगी इसकी? डोंट पुट ऑफ till tomorrow what you can do today. Put on, wear, you must put on new clothes. So these were some phrasal verbs, dear students. The game is not over yet. There are so many others that you will have to learn. So dear students, से हमारा आज का टॉपिक इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ. टफ जरूर है, ट्रिकी जरूर है, but you have to learn because it is an important tool of examiner and we have to prepare all such things. Allah Hafiz.